بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم۔ ڈیئر اسٹوڈینٹس، السلام علیکم۔ امید کرتا ہوں کہ آپ لوگ سارے خیریت سے ہوں گے۔ ڈیئر اسٹوڈینٹس، جغرافی کلاس سیٹ جو کہ پنجاب ٹیکسٹ بک کا نیا کورس ہے، اس کے چیپٹر نمبر 2 کی آج کویسچن آنسرس کریں گے۔ تو پہلے وہ والے شارٹ کویسچن اور لانگ کویسچن کرتے ہیں جو کتاب میں دیے گئے ہیں، پھر اس کے بعد ایکسٹرا یا ایڈیشنل یعنی اضافی شارٹ کویسچن اور لانگ کویسچن بھی کریں گے تاکہ سارا یونٹ کور ہو جائے۔ اچھا، تو پہلے والے وہ شارٹ کویسچن کرتے ہیں جو کتاب میں دیے گئے ہیں۔ کویسچن نمبر 1، ڈیفائن ایکسٹریم ویدر کنڈیشن۔ آنسر: ایکسٹریم ویدر کنڈیشنز ریفر ٹو unusual and severe weather events that are very different from normal weather patterns such as heat waves, floods and storms. Question 2, what are the two major threats of climate change? Answer: rising sea levels and climate change that is affecting agriculture and food production are the two major threats of climate change. Question 3, what is greenhouse effect? Answer: the greenhouse effect is the process in which gases in the atmosphere trap heat from the sun and prevent it from escaping back into space, keeping the earth warm. Question 4, how can we improve air quality? Answer: air quality can be improved by reducing emissions from industries and vehicles and by using cleaner and renewable sources of energy. Question 5, define global warming. Answer: global warming is the increase in the Earth's average surface temperature due to the accumulation of greenhouse gases. اچھا، تو نیکسٹ ہے ڈیٹیلڈ آنسر یعنی لانگ کویسچن جو کتاب میں دیے گئے ہیں۔ کویسچن 1، ایکسپلین دی مین کازز آف کلائمیٹ چینج۔ آنسر: کلائمیٹ چینج از مینلی کازڈ بائی ہیومن ایکٹیویٹیز اینڈ سم نیچرل فیکٹرز۔ نمبر 1، گرین ہاؤس گیسز۔ Gases such as carbon dioxide, methane and water vapors trap heat and increase global temperature. Number 2, deforestation. Cutting forests increases carbon dioxide and reduces oxygen, disturbing the natural balance. Number 3, industrial activity. Burning fossil fuels like coal and petroleum releases harmful gases into the atmosphere. Number 4, agricultural activity. Use of fertilizers and livestock farming release methane and other gases. Number 5, natural causes. Volcanic eruptions and changes in Earth's orbit also affect climate. Question number 2, how can we save our Earth from global warming and climate change? Answer: we can save our Earth from global warming and climate change to number 1, reduce use of fossil fuels. Using less coal, oil and gas reduces harmful emissions. Number 2, use renewable energy. Solar, wind and hydro energy are clean and safe. Number 3, low carbon technologies. Developing eco-friendly technologies helps reduce emissions. Number 4, afforestation. Planting more trees helps absorb carbon dioxide. Number 5, reduce use of fertilizers and pesticides. Environment friendly farming reduces harmful gases. Question number 3, what is the difference between the climate of Karachi and New York City? Answer: the difference between the climate of Karachi and New York City is as under. Karachi, located near the Arabian Sea, mild climate with small temperature variation, low rainfall mostly in monsoon, high humidity. New York City, located near the Atlantic Ocean, hot summers and very cold winters. Rain follows throughout the year. Large seasonal variation. Question number 4, discuss the lifestyle of people living in coastal areas. Answer: people living in coastal areas depend heavily on the sea. Number 1, occupations. Fishing, shipping, trade and tourism are common jobs. Number 2, food. Seafood is a major part of their diet. Number 3, housing. Houses are built to face strong winds and floods. Number 4, risks. People face dangers like storms, cyclones, and coastal flooding. Number 5, economic activities. Ports and marine trade play an important role in their lives. Okay, question number 5. Explain the importance of rivers for humans. Answer. The importance of rivers for human is below. Number 1. Rivers provide fresh water for drinking and daily use. Number 2, water from rivers is used for irrigation. Number 3, rivers are used for trade and travel. Number 4, hydropower is generated from river water. Number 5, rivers support plants and animals. नेक्स्ट है क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग क्वेश्चन जो किताब में दिए गए हैं. Question number 1. How does the lifestyle of people affect climate change? Answer. Human activities like burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and industrialization increase greenhouse gases, which lead to climate change. Question 2. Why do we care about ozone depletion? Answer. Ozone layer protects the earth from harmful ultraviolet rays. Its depletion can cause health problems and environmental damage. Question 3. What can we do to stop climate change? Answer. We can reduce pollution, plant trees, use renewable energy, and save energy in daily life. Question 4. How can we use renewable energy to reduce greenhouse gases? Answer. By using solar, wind, and hydropower instead of fossil fuels, we can reduce emissions of greenhouse gases. अच्छा, अब है वो वाले क्वेश्चन, अब है एडिशनल शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस विद आंसर्स यानी इजाफी. Question number 1. What is the difference between weather and climate? Answer. Weather is the short-term condition of the atmosphere, while climate is the average weather of a place over a long period of about 30 years. Question 2. What is extreme weather? Answer. Extreme weather refers to unusual and severe weather events like heat waves, floods, and storms. Question 3. Name 2 causes of extreme weather. Answer. Rising global temperatures and warming oceans. Question 4. What are greenhouse gases? Answer. Gases that trap heat in the atmosphere such as carbon dioxide and methane. Question 5. What is global warming? Answer. It is the increase in Earth's average temperature due to greenhouse gases. Question 6. Name one effect of climate change on oceans. Answer. Rising sea levels and ocean acidification. Question 7. What is one impact of climate change on rivers? Answer. Reduced water levels due to irregular rainfall. Question 8. What is Karachi's climate like? Answer. Karachi has a mild coastal climate with less temperature variation. Question 9. What type of climate does New York have? Answer. New York has a humid continental climate with hot summers and cold winters. Question 10. Name one solution to climate change. Answer. Using renewable energy like solar and wind power. अच्छा, अब है इजाफी यानी एडिशनल लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस विद आंसर्स. क्वेश्चन 1. एक्सप्लेन द causes of climate change. Answer. Climate change is caused by both human and natural factors. Number 1. Greenhouse gases. Gases like carbon dioxide यानी CO2, methane, CH4 and water vapors trap heat in the atmosphere. Number 2. Deforestation. Cutting trees increases carbon dioxide and reduces oxygen. Number 3. Industrial activity. Burning fossil fuels releases harmful gases. Number 4. Agricultural activity. Farming activities release methane and nitrous oxide. Number 5. Natural causes. Volcanoes and changes in Earth's orbit also affect climate. Question 2. Describe the greenhouse effect and its role in global warming. Answer. The greenhouse effect and its role in global warming is discussed below. Greenhouse effect. It is the process by which gases trap heat in Earth's atmosphere. Process. Sunlight reaches Earth. Earth emits infrared radiation. Greenhouse gases absorb and trap this heat. Role in global warming. Excess greenhouse gases increase heat trapping, causing global warming. Question 3. Discuss the major threats of climate change and their effects on life. Answer. Major threats of climate change and their effects on life is under rising sea. Number one, rising sea level, flooding of coastal areas and displacement of people. Number two, food or shortage. Agriculture is affected by droughts and floods. Number three, loss of biodiversity. Many species are becoming extinct. Number four, water cycle changes. Irregular rainfall affects water supply. Number five, air pollution. Poor air quality causes health problems. Question number four. Compare the climate patterns of Karachi and New York. Answer. Comparison of the climate patterns of Karachi and New York is below. Karachi. Coastal city near the Arabian Sea. Mild temperatures throughout the year. Low rainfall mostly in monsoon season. High humidity. New York. Located near the Atlantic Ocean. The hot summers and cold winters. Rainfall throughout the year. Seasonal variation is very high. Question number 5. Explain the effects of climate change on coastal areas and rivers. Answer. The detail of the effects of climate change on coastal areas and river is effects on coastal areas. Rising sea levels cause flooding or damage to marine ecosystems or loss of coastal habitats, effects on rivers. Reduced water levels due to drought, flooding or due to heavy rainfall or damage to aquatic life. Impact on people, loss of homes and livelihoods, shortage of clean water, increased natural disasters. तो ये थे यूनिट नंबर 2 के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स जो आप लोगों को पसंद आए होंगे। यहाँ पे मैं अपना व्हाट्सएप नंबर दे रहा हूँ, तो इस व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे आप लोग मुझे वॉइस मैसेज या टेक्स्ट मैसेज कर सकते हैं अगर आप लोगों को ये क्वेश्चन आंसर पीडीएफ फॉर्मेट में चाहिए। लेकिन उससे पहले आप लोगों ने इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना होगा, फिर उसका स्क्रीनशॉट भी मुझे भेज दीजिएगा। फिर उसके बाद मैं आप लोगों को ये शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन और ये क्वेश्चन आंसर पीडीएफ फॉर्मेट में भेजूंगा। इंशाल्लाह मिलेंगे यूनिट नंबर 3 के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स के साथ। उस वक्त तक इजाज़त चाहता हूँ। अल्लाह हाफिज़।